Hi, today I'm glad to present you with the great opportunity to invest in real estate. For those who are interested to create cash flow, to build equity, and to store wealth, I have an excellent triplex for you. So we are currently in the heart of Angers City, 5 minutes walk from Wilfrid Pelletier International School, close to major shopping centers Galerie d'Anjou, Place Versailles, and Joseph Renault, close to highways 40 and 25, Arena Chaumont, Coastal, the gym, parks, and much more. This family sector is in high demand. And always think of the potential. Can you imagine how the value of this property will increase after the extension of the subway blue line and the future terminus will be nearby? So it's a great triplex, very well maintained over time. All 3 units are currently rented. Excellent tenants, also they pay for electricity and heating. Don't hesitate and request a visit now. Let's go see the property.